Physics challenge 6, alternate current. Okay, find the voltage between B and C. It's just voltage divided into two portions. Find amplitude and the phase. So we use the complex number notation. In there, voltage is simply just V. So the voltage between B and C, say V prime. Okay, so V prime is voltage divided by this parallel impedance is the 2R1 plus J omega L 1 over 1. So it's 2R J 2R omega L 2R. You multiply 2R J omega L sorry, so 2R J omega L R J omega L. So it's going to be R plus Z over R, right? So we have to find out the amplitude. Amplitude is V prime absolute value. The phase is the theta, which is arctangent real portion imaginary portion over real portion of V prime. Is that correct? Yeah. So it's a vector. So if you have the vector, the phase is real portion and the imaginary portion. So it's arctangent, imaginary portion over real portion. This gives you the phase. Okay, so that's what we have to do. So Z, the impedance is given here. So we have to plug in here. VR reciprocal of this 1 over R plus 2R J omega L 2R plus J omega L. Okay, so a lot of manipulation. We have to make it real part plus imaginary part format, right? So let's see, this portion is going to be R 2R plus J omega L plus 2R, let's put the J in front, omega L 2R plus J omega L. 2R square plus, let's see, J 2, this is going to be R and 2R, so it's the 3R omega L. Is that correct? It's 2R square. and this multiply, it's gonna be 3, yeah, plus 2r plus j omega L. So what we do is to multiply this guy. It's going to be 2r square plus 3r omega L square, right? And 2r plus j omega L, 2r square minus j 3r L omega L. Okay, so you need to know the manipulation of the complex number. We multiply this, we get the real portion, which is the 4r cube, and you multiply this and this, so it's going to be negative plus negative, so plus 3r omega square L square. That's the real portion, and the imaginary portion is multiply this and this, so 2r square omega L minus 6r square omega L. So this is actually negative 4 r square omega L. And okay, so the B prime amplitude is the vector lengths, right? So we have A R plus J A M, and absolute number will be A square plus M square A square. E is R square plus M square, right? So we take this guy, this portion is A, and this portion is R, and this portion is M. So we have a square root, and the big square root for R cube plus 3R omega square L square, this square, and negative, but it's going to change to positive here, 16R square omega square L square over A. A is this guy. Okay, so we can simplify this inside, but not much. After we simplify, there will be R to the fourth inside, and you can add it, but not much, so we can just leave it there. The theta is going to be arctangent, so imaginary part over real part, and this is the real part, this is imaginary part. A is cancelled out, so arctangent 4r cube plus 3r omega square L square over 4r square omega L, but it's negative, phase is negative. Okay, so that's the answer. So I hope you like this one. It's too many manipulation of complex number. Please check others too, other challenging physics question. If you like, subscribe.